How McDonald's Chicken McNuggets are mass-produced in a factory. Every Chicken McNugget story begins with whole chickens, not scraps or leftovers, but fresh cuts straight from inspected suppliers. The process starts in the deboning department, where advanced automation performs what would take hours if done by hand. These machines use robotic arms equipped with sharp, precise tools to separate the meat from the bone in a matter of seconds. It's not just speed that makes these machines remarkable, it's their accuracy. Every cut ensures maximum meat yield while eliminating any unwanted pieces like tendons or excess fat. Once the chicken breasts are removed, they're passed down a conveyor system fitted with high-resolution sensors. These machines scan the meat for quality, sorting it into batches that meet McDonald's strict standards. Think of it as a high-tech quality control checkpoint, leaving no room for contamination or mistakes. Even after this step, human inspectors step in with a final set of eyes, ensuring the meat you're eating is nothing but the best. After inspection, the trimmed chicken breasts are transferred in bins to the grinding stage. But before that, the entire assembly area is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized by automated sanitation systems. Hygiene isn't an afterthought, it's a constant priority in the production line. Once chicken breasts reach the grinding area, the transformation begins. Grinders used in this process aren't your average kitchen appliances. These industrial machines are enormous, capable of processing hundreds of pounds of meat per hour. Inside, sharp blades rotate at high speeds, breaking the meat into a uniform, finely ground texture. It's a precise operation. Too coarse, and the chicken wouldn't hold together. Too fine, and it loses its characteristic chewiness. But grinding is only half the story. Once the meat is adequately broken down, it's time for blending. Massive blenders capable of holding entire batches at once mix the ground chicken with carefully measured portions of chicken skin, seasonings, and preservatives. While the addition of skin may surprise some, it's included for texture and flavor, making McNuggets tender and juicy with every bite. These blenders aren't just massive, they're smart. Equipped with sensors, they monitor the consistency, mixing speed, and even temperature throughout the process. If anything is off, the entire batch is flagged and adjusted. Once mixed, what emerges isn't quite recognizable as a nugget yet. A smooth, uniform meat paste is the foundation, ready to become something more. McDonald's nuggets have distinct shapes, and that's no accident. The ball, the bell, the boot, and the bow tie. It's all part of making nuggets that are memorable and textured just right for cooking and dipping. To create these shapes, the meat paste journeys to the forming machines. These impressive pieces of equipment use high-pressure systems to push the paste into custom molds made for each shape. What's fascinating is how these machines operate. They don't just stamp out meat, they delicately press it to ensure each nugget holds its structure. The level of precision is unmatched. Special sensors control the pressure applied during molding, ensuring the meat isn't compacted too tight, which could affect cooking, or too loose, which could cause nuggets to fall apart. And it's not just efficiency at play here, it's capability. These machines can switch between shapes and production lines in mere minutes, keeping up with McDonald's large production volume. Each nugget is shaped to perfection and delivered onto a conveyor belt for its next steps, all ready to be coated and cooked to golden perfection. The entire shaping system ensures that every nugget you order looks and tastes exactly as it should, no matter where in the world you are. From the forming machines, the nuggets head to be battered, fried, frozen, and shipped. But it's here, in these 3 early steps where the transformation from chicken breast to nugget begins. Whether it's the precise cutting, advanced blending, or intricate molding, every detail counts in creating a product that is consistent, flavorful, and loved worldwide. Stay tuned to see how they're prepared for the crispy coating that makes McNuggets so irresistible. What's the secret behind that iconic McNugget crunch? It all starts with the 2-step battering process, a sequence designed to deliver both flavor and texture perfection. First, the freshly formed nugget glides onto a conveyor belt lined up like soldiers heading into action. Overhead sprayers release a delicate coat of light batter, giving the nuggets their initial outer layer. This stage is all about precision. Automated systems ensure every nugget is evenly covered, avoiding thick patches or missed spots. But this thin coat is only the beginning. The nuggets then move to the tempura stage, the star of the battering process. Here, nuggets are submerged into a thicker tempura batter that clings to the surface like a second skin. Specialized machinery uses motorized arms and rolling mechanisms to ensure the tempura coating fully encases the nugget. It's not just splashed on, it's applied with care and uniformity. This dual-layer batter serves a dual purpose. While the tempura adds the iconic crispy texture, the light batter acts as a bond underneath, holding the tempura firmly in place during frying. By the end of this stage, the nuggets are golden but not yet cooked. Instead, they are ready to face intense but brief heat in the next step. Flash frying isn't just about browning. It's the turning point where the batter transforms into the crispy shell you know and love. Conveyors now carry the battered nuggets into an industrial fryer that looks more like a machine from a science fiction movie. These state-of-the-art fryers are giants capable of handling thousands of nuggets simultaneously. The nuggets are immersed in a steady stream of hot oil, but timing here is key. They are only partially cooked, just enough for the batter to crisp up and form a seal around the chicken. Sensors embedded in the fryer monitor temperature, frying time, and even oil quality in real time, ensuring that every batch meets McDonald's exacting standards. This flash frying step locks in the flavor while keeping the chicken inside perfectly juicy. What's fascinating is that these fryers don't just rely on heat. High-speed paddles gently move the nuggets around in the oil, ensuring an even fry on all sides. By the time they emerge, they are golden but slightly undercooked inside, creating the perfect base for their next stage. Now we're on to freezing, a step designed to preserve quality and ensure the nuggets reach your local McDonald's as fresh as possible. After frying, the nuggets make their way into an advanced freezing tunnel, a structure that's several feet long and lined with powerful freezing units. This isn't your typical home freezer. These systems blast nuggets with icy air at extreme speeds. Within minutes, the nugget's temperature is lowered to sub-zero levels. This rapid cooling process ensures that the texture, flavor, and structural integrity of the nuggets remain intact. It also prevents moisture loss, preserving that juicy chicken center for when the nuggets are eventually cooked at the restaurant. The nuggets are then portioned into exact counts by automated sorting machines. Each box is weighed to the gram, ensuring that restaurants receive the same number of nuggets without any discrepancies. Machines seal each package in airtight plastic and label them with batch information like production time and location. From here, the nuggets make their way toward distribution, with every step designed for maximum efficiency. Once frozen, the nuggets move onto the packaging stage. where engineering precision meets food safety. This is where every nugget is portioned and prepped, ensuring consistency from factory floor to fryer. The process starts with mechanized sorting systems that work at lightning speed. These machines are programmed to separate nuggets into specific quantities, whether that's for smaller packs or bulk restaurant-sized boxes. Each portion is exact down to the last nugget, thanks to advanced weight sensors embedded in the system. From here, the nuggets glide into sealing units. This part of the process doesn't just involve throwing them into a bag. Automated machines handle each step with remarkable care. Vacuum sealing systems remove any excess air, an essential step to maintaining freshness and prevent freezer burn. Once sealed, each bag is further inspected by cutting-edge scanners to ensure there are no leaks or torn edges that could compromise quality. But the packaging process doesn't end with sealing. Every bag is grouped into packs, boxed, and stacked with machine precision. Labels are automatically stamped onto boxes with essential details like batch numbers, production dates, and storage requirements. These labels ensure full traceability, meaning every nugget can be tracked back to the exact moment it was prepared. Finally, robotic arms lift and stack the prepared boxes onto pallets, creating perfectly arranged towers ready for transport. This level of automation not only makes the process quicker, but eliminates the risk of human error or contamination. By the time the nuggets leave the packing area, each box is tightly sealed, freshly frozen, and ready to head to its destination. The final stage is all about logistics. Keeping millions of nuggets on the go while maintaining their frozen state is no small task. McDonald's relies on a network of temperature-controlled transportation systems to get the job done. The frozen nuggets are loaded onto refrigerated trucks fitted with advanced cooling technology. Real-time monitors assess and regulate internal temperatures throughout the ride, ensuring the cargo stays perfectly frozen. Each transport truck can carry thousands of boxes, and the system is optimized for just-in-time delivery to meet demand without waste. Whether the destination is a bustling city center or a small-town franchise, every box of nuggets arrives ready for that final cooking step. By the time the nuggets land in McDonald's kitchens, they've completed a long yet highly controlled journey, all so they're prepared to be fried to perfection and served to eager customers. And when you bite into a delicious Chicken McNugget, it's not just a snack. It's the result of cutting-edge technology, precise engineering, and a supply chain designed for speed and quality on a massive scale. Every nugget is a testament to the innovation behind McDonald's global success. Bye for now.